Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Now we are doing our maths work. Today our topic is factors and multiples. What is a factor? A factor is a number that will divide into another number without a remainder. For example, 32 divided by 4, our answer is 8. 32 divided by 8, our answer is 4. Here we will not have any remainder. Now, how will find the factor of 18? In which multiplication table does 18 appear? 18, 1 is a factor of every number. So, 1 and 18 is a factor of 18. Next, in table of 2, when we will divide 18 by 2, our answer is 9. So, 2 and 9 are the factors of 18. And when we will divide 18 by 3, our answer is 6. So, these are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now, multiple. When a number is multiplied by another whole number, multiples of a number create a number pattern. For example, multiples of 2 simply, now when we find that multiples, simply table of a given numbers. For example, multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Multiples of 4, 4, 2, 8, 12, 16, and so on. These are the examples of multiples. Now we'll do exercise 2E, question number 4. Write the factors of these pairs of numbers and circle the common factors. First of all, we will find the factors. Then we'll find the common factors. In A part, we have value 10, 18. First of all, we will find the factors. Here we have 10 and 1 is a factor of every number. 1 tens are 10. So, here we write 10. Yes. In which table does a 10 appear? In table of 2. Here 2 5s are 10. Now these are the factors. These are the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. We will write factors of 10. 1, 2, 2, 5, 10. Now we'll find the factors of 18. Now 1 and 18. Then other factors, 2 9s are 18. Then 3 6 are 18. These are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we'll find the common factors, means same value. 1 is a common, so we'll circle the common factor 1. Then other is 2. These two numbers are common factors. So we will write here common factors. Here we have 1, 2. These are the common factors. In B part, we have value 25 and 15. First of all, we will find the factors of 25. Here 1 and 25. Next, 5 5s are 25. So these are the factors of 25. 1, 5 and 25. Now 1, 5 and 25. Now we'll find the factors of 15. 1 is a factor of every number. So now 1. Then in which table does 15 appear? 3. 3. Where is 3 5s are 15s? Now 1 15s are 15. Now these are the factors of 15. Now we underline the circle the common factors. Here we have 1, other 5. These are the common factors. Here we write common factors. Common factors 1 and 5. Now question number 5. Find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. In A part we have value 32 and then 24. Here factors of 32. Factors of 32. Factors of 32. 1 is a factor of every number, 1 and 32. Next, Next, when we divide 32 by 2, our answer is 16. Now, when we divide 32 by 4, our answer is 4. 4 8s are 32. Now, these are the factors of 32: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now, find the factors of 24. 1 is a factor of every number, and here 24. Next, when we will divide 24 by 2, our answer is 12. Now, next number is 3. Here we write 3, and what's the answer when we will divide 24 by 3? 3 8s are 24. Now, 4 6 are 24. These are the factors of 24. Factors of 24: 1, comma, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now, common factors: 1, 2, and 4, 8. These are the common factors: 1, 2, 4, 8. In B part, we have value 15 and 25. First, factors of 50. 1 is a factor of every number, 1 and 50. Then, next, 1 and 50. Then, 2. When we divide 50 by 2, our answer is 25. 2 25s are 50. Then, 5 10s are 50. These are the factors of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. Now, 25 factors of 25, 1 and 25. Then 5 5s are 25. These are the factors of 25. Now, common factors are 1, 5, and 25. These are the common factors. Common factors are 1, 5, and 25. As it is, you will do the remaining parts. Allah Hafiz. Take care.